crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basics How-Tos. Today we're going to talk about setting up your Cricut. Now I have 3 different Cricuts set up here, but they all come out of the box and they all get plugged in the same way. And they all come with 2 plugs on the back. One plug is for your power cord that goes in there. And then the other one is for a computer cord. And we'll talk about hooking up to the computers later, but they all have those 2 plugins in the back. Once you open your Cricut, and it has power, so I'm going to plug this one in. Turn it on. And we'll turn this one on. Now this one you have to okay, this one you turn on and you open. This is the Cricut Explore 1. This is my newest Cricut. And this is the first Cricut I had. And okay, they all turn on the same. Now this one, they come with the blade inside. They're going to have some packaging inside and inside here, around here. Take all of that out, and they're going to be tape. Things are taped down. Take all that stuff out, and you got it plugged in, and basically you're ready to go. This one has the cartridge in it and has the keypad that goes on top. This Cricut is a smaller. This holds a 6-inch cutting mat, but it uses the same cartridges and the same keypads. This one only hooks up, you can really only cut with this one with the computer, and we'll get into that later too. You can put cartridges in it, so you have cartridges and you can want to link them. We'll talk about linking it another time. All you need then is your cutting mat, your computer, or over here you're ready to go. You can start cutting as soon as you're ready to go. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.